After an unexpected delay yesterday, because the screen of my phone died, the screen died. And I was lucky enough to be taken to a good Samaritan in a close-by village that tried to fix my phone. And eventually gave me a different working phone. But Quai here is giving me a phone, broken but good, so I can continue on with the trip, at least with Google Maps. And I was able to continue my trip south and crossed over to Quang-Binh province, where I eventually spent the night. So, just outside my room. Finally a good day. Clear, well, not clear skies, but you can actually see skies and no rain. So that's a good sign. There's a bay over there. So I think I'll start the day heading out there. And later on I'll head on to Dong Hoi. Let's hope the new phone's GPS works, so otherwise I have problems. Let's hope everything's gonna be fine. Good morning. And time to get on the motorbike. And get out. The beach not too far away from the hotel, but it looks like a nice beach with all those boats. Probably a port just behind it, just behind this peninsula over there. Okay, I saw it. Let's start heading south. Yeah, very nice beach. Finally, with a good view. Clean air, not foggy, not misty like the rest of the trip so far. Finally cleared up. Can breathe, finally. Even though I'm thankful to the guy that gave me the phone yesterday for free, there's a good reason why it was for free. It's a shitty phone, and it's pretty hard to use because it keeps pressing buttons, and the screen is shit, so it keeps pressing things I don't want. I cannot go, oh there, now it's working better, but I really have to replace it because otherwise it's just a waste of time every time I try to use it. So anyways, I've managed to find my way to the coast road, and beautiful beach all the way down to Dong Hoi today, which hopefully I'll be able to replace to a good phone there. So breakfast on the way to Dong Hoi, which is over there on the highway, 55 kilometers to Dong Hoi. Breakfast, getting bunbo, which Looks pretty nice, 40,000, not too bad. First day that I don't have to wear my coat. It's getting warmer, definitely getting warmer. The highway is boring and also dangerous, so I'm getting off to the side roads just closer to the beach. And that should be a lot more interesting here. And a lot calmer also. Yeah, I'm trying to get to this beach here, but this maps just keeps driving me crazy. It doesn't, the phone doesn't work, and it keeps jumping from fuck here again. It keeps
jumping, pressing the screen where it's not supposed to. It's horrible. It's just horrible. And I can't seem to find a way. It's just horrible. It cannot use this. Simply cannot use this app. I gotta change.
Apparently, I got to a dead end. The road I wanted to go to is over there. Have to turn around. Yeah, I got myself into a dead end again. Another dead end. I'll never find this beach. Maybe ask somebody. Sin Hoi. Tôi muốn in cho bien. Cho bien. Bien. Như thế nào có thể đi cho bien? Bien, today? Và dễ không thể tìm. Đi tang? Và dễ, ok. Đi tang bao nhiêu đuông?
Gần đó đến cây xăng.
Ok, tôi tìm, cảm ơn. I hope I can find it, although I don't understand it. I do understand, but I don't understand the directions. Tôi tìm bien, và tôi không thể tìm nổi. Phải xe ở đây. Biết như thế này đi đây.
Tìm biển hả?
Bởi vì mỗi đường ở đây không thể.
Anh phải đi ra ngoài kia. Ngoài đi vòng ra lối kia ấy. Cái lối thứ 3 ấy.
Từ đây không thể.
Đây không thể.
Apparently from this side of the village cannot. Gotta go back to the highway and go around. I don't know if I want to waste more time on this. It's nice though. It seems this is the right way. Okay. So bien, tôi đi tắm. So bien.
Chú
Đi thang và just và dễ.
chú cứ đi thẳng đến cái chỗ mà chú đi lên nhá. Từ ven.
I'm supposed to go straight and find the road splits, and I turn left and then continue straight, and yeah, let's hope. Finally. Yep, seems that I found it. Now let's see if it was worth the hassle. Well, sure is a nice beach. Very nice. Look at that. But one of many beautiful beaches along this stretch of coast here in Quang-Binh. This is the Nhay beach, about 20 kilometers from Dong Hoi. Another one. I thought I would stop here and at least try the drone without the phone. Yes, beautiful, definitely beautiful. Wow, be a good place to lift the drone up. This is by the way, the air quality on this beach and this area is finally immaculate. Look at that. 3 PM 2.5, those are numbers you never ever see in Hanoi. So nice. So this is an example of how I fly the drone without the phone app. Luckily I can use the goggles, but with the goggles only. My range is severely limited and I can only fly the drone 100-200 meters away before I get disconnected. Here, after crossing the big bridge, I take the drone up, and before flying even 200 meters away, I get disconnected. I lost image reception and I'm flying blindly. After a while the drone returns home automatically, and so I regain image reception. But beside being scared stiff of losing the drone again, I simply can't get any good shots flying like this. Drone next to the river here, and we're getting disconnected because there's no app and the goggles, it's a problem to fly with it. Getting a little bit scared not to lose this also, because that would be to top everything up. I just realized that the power bank fell from my pocket, because the pockets of this coat are not deep enough, and it probably just fell out of my pocket when I was driving it. Continue on the road parallel to the beach a little bit, away from the highway, and on to Dong Hoi. In the next video, I keep on going south to Dong Hoi. I visit a massive area of sand dunes on the way. That's as far as the motorbike will go. And another beach temple before I reach Dong Hoi and go to visit the train station to see if I can go back to Hanoi and send the motorbike together with me. If you liked my videos so far and you're interested to know what's gonna happen next on my trip, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next video.